Good morning, folks. It is Wednesday morning here. This is the first day of the PDCA Expo. I'm here in Galveston, Texas. Beautiful Galveston. It's a little bit foggy today, but it's probably 50 degrees warmer here than in Minnesota. At 10:30 this morning, I am giving my brand new master's class about new construction today. And last night we had an awesome time. We met with a lot of old friends. A lot of contractors that I haven't seen in a while, and it was awesome to catch up with people. So it's going to be an awesome day today. We got some peer-to-peer brain melds, we got education sessions, and then of course we have the evening thing. Benjamin Moore is putting on a little gathering tonight down at this down at the pool bar down there. So hopefully the rain stays away. And I couldn't have had a better time last night. I love talking to these people. These are some of the best paint business entrepreneurs in the world here. So I'm gonna just keep drinking from the fire hose, as they say.